Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change notification sound on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings and now we have to open sound and vibration option. And here we have to scroll down and as you can see right here we have default notification sound and we can choose from here a new notification sound and I'm gonna choose coconuts. And basically that's it. Now as you can see our notification sound is coconut. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.